Hello everyone, my name is Ajit Mandal and I am Tkinter student in computer science and engineering. Today I am going to show you a digital clock project using Python and Tkinter. This project is beginner friendly and help you understand GUI programming in Python. In this project, I created a digital clock that displays hours, minutes, seconds and AM PM. The clock updates automatically every second, just like a real digital clock. Here, I use two main libraries. First is Tkinter, which is Python's built-in library for creating graphical user interface. Second is time for the time module, which help us fetch the format the correct system time. How it works. First, we create a main window using Tkinter and set its size, background color, and title. Then we create a label to display the time with a digital style font. After that, I wrote a function that gets the current time using a start time and update the level every second using the after method. This method keeps calling the function again and again, which makes the clock run continuously. This project helped me understand GUI basics, real-time updates, and event loop in Python. We can further enhance its project by adding the date, changing themes, or make it screenful. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment. Thank you everyone.